Hey everybody, I am in the Frankfurt airport. No, sorry, not airport. The train station. It's cold. No, every train station's a train station, but I thought I'd let everybody see. What life is like. At least over here. See, I'm at the end, I'm 17. Platform 17, or gaze, whatever the gate is. Oh. Yep, they've got fast trains and slow trains. I'm on a slow train because it's cheaper. Man, it's freaking cold. Stupid why it's so cold. I know it's nowhere near as cold as it gets, but cold for me. Alright, well that's just that. Bye.